A bit of a warning, today I am going to be promoting some products that have been given to me. I'm basically just doing some advertising, but I will be giving you discount code, so if you use that discount code to buy these products, I will be getting a little bit of money out of that whole deal. So if that's not something that you're really into, you then of course don't watch this video, but at the same time I am going to be making something out of these products which I think is going to be quite cool. So if you want to still watch me, and obviously there is no obligation to buy anything that I am advertising here, but I think it will still be quite a cool video. Recently, Christ Centred Ironwork, or Roy Adams, sent me a few little bits and bobs to promote. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm sure that a lot of you will have heard of Christ Centred Ironworks. You know, if you look up on YouTube, blacksmith, I'm sure that Roy is going to turn up. I can remember that I used to watch loads of his videos when I was first starting out as a blacksmith. They were very useful to me in learning all sorts of different techniques. So yeah, they've sent me a few of these little laser cut blanks, which he sells on his website. And the idea being that as a beginner blacksmith, you can buy one or two of these, and then in your own little forge, whenever you get the time, you can then make this into a nice, these are hook blanks, but he sells loads of different things like bowls and pans and loads of different stuff. But yeah, so you can buy one of these and then just make it into a nice little hook, and it saves you having to cut them out yourself out of a sheet. Like, you know, you don't want to buy a massive piece of sheet steel and then have to cut, you know, a load of these out. It saves you that time where you can just buy it online, and then, you know, in the 1 or 2 hours a week that you get to do forging, you can then make it on the weekend. You could get it laser cut yourself, but a lot of these firms that do this laser cutting, they have that minimum cut charge, which means that you'll have to order like 50 of these or something. So your price is then obviously going to tally up. So Roy's basically just doing you a bit of a favour in a way of saying, you know, you only have to buy one of these if you only want to make one, and we've done the boring part of cutting it out, which you could do with an angle grinder if you wanted to, or you could just buy one of these and then have the fun part of forging it into something that actually looks pretty cool. Today I'm just going to do a quick video of making this feather hook. Here's the finished feather hook. It didn't really take that long to finish and make up. I just drilled 2 little holes there to obviously screw it into a wall. But I sort of like the idea that you get a blank thing. Granted, it's got the shape of the feather, but other than that, it's blank. And so you can then design and create what sort of a style of feather that you want, whether it's a cartoon style or a more realistic style. So I think there are a lot of different options that you can do with every single piece. And of course, it doesn't even have to end up a hook. You could turn it into a letter opener or whatever. You've just got a straight bit of steel on the end that, again, you can do whatever you want with. So yes, I think these are quite a good little sort of beginner project that only take sort of an hour or 2 hours that you could do on a weekend, and it'll save you a lot of hassle, obviously, getting one of these rather than having to cut the shape out yourself. So thank you to Christ Centred Ironworks for giving me this opportunity, and thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching me make this little feather hook. I realised that I completely forgot to tell you the discount code, which was the whole point of this video. So when you're checking out, if you use the code OSCAR, literally just OSCAR, it'll deduct 10% off of your order total, and that is for all of these blanks, so these laser cut blanks, and then the blacksmith tools, so the guillotine tool and the treadle hammer. You'll get 10% off if you use that code OSCAR. I'll put it all in the description below, so the actual discount code and the link to the website where you can actually buy these products.